Let's sew this easy and fun twist hairband. Fabric must stretch both across and going down. 6 3/4 by 20 inches long. Sew down the long side, then turn it good side out. Next, watch this closely to see how we fold this. Place the seam on the back and then fold it in half. So now the seam is on the outside. Then shift them apart so that the seam is at the fold. Fold one side onto the other and then the other side back over. Watch that again to fold that correctly. That's super important. Now we'll sew a slight curve shape. Starting at one end, curve up and then curve back to the other end. Trim the excess fabric. Check us out at thesewpro.com and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's pull this out. Your twist is made. Watch it form. Just pull. It all shapes into that twist. Wasn't that fun and easy? Join us at thesewpro.com for more sewing instruction.